In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your email signature in Gmail. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is open up my browser and head over to gmail.com. Once the page loads, I'll go ahead and sign into my Gmail account if I'm not already logged in. After you're inside your inbox, you should see the usual Gmail layout with your emails in the center and the menu options around it. Now what we're looking for is the settings area. Up in the top right corner of the screen, there's a small gear icon. I'm going to click on that gear icon, and that opens up a quick settings panel on the side. You'll see a few options here, but the one we want is the full settings page. So from this panel, I'm going to click on see all settings. Alright, once that loads, you'll be on the main settings screen for Gmail. Across the top, there are several tabs like General, Labels, Inbox, and a few others. By default, it usually opens on the General tab, which is exactly where we want to be. If for some reason you landed somewhere else, just go ahead and click on the General tab so you're in the right place. Now from here, I'm going to slowly scroll down the page. There are quite a few different options in the general settings, so just keep scrolling until you find the section labeled Signature. It might take a second because there are a lot of settings in between, but once you reach the signature section, you'll see the area where Gmail lets you create or manage your email signature. Alright, so inside this section, you'll see your signature listed if you already created one before. What I'm going to do now is click on the little edit icon next to the signature. That edit icon lets you modify the signature settings. Once I click that, I can edit the signature name. The name is just the label Gmail uses internally to identify the signature, so you can change it to something that makes sense to you. I'm just going to type in the name I want for this signature, and once that's done, we can move on to the actual content. Right below that is the main signature editor. This is where you edit the signature that appears at the bottom of your emails. So I'm going to click into that text box, and from here you can type or update whatever you want included in your signature. For example, you might add your name, your job title, your company, or any other contact information you normally include in an email signature. You can also format the text if you want, like making parts bold, adjusting the size, or organizing it the way you like. I'm just going to edit the signature text here until it looks the way I want it to appear in my emails. Once that's done and everything looks good, the last thing we need to do is save the changes. So I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page. At the bottom there's a button labeled Save Changes. I'll go ahead and click on Save Changes, and Gmail will reload the inbox page. At this point, the new or updated email signature is saved, and it will automatically appear at the bottom of your emails when you compose a new message. And that's it, your Gmail signature is now added and ready to use whenever you send emails.